The Federal Reserve raising interest rates by 0.75 of a percentage point to a new range of 3 and 3.25%, the highest rate since early 2008. The Fed saying that ongoing increases will likely be appropriate in the funds rate. The Fed also saying inflation remains elevated. It's sharply raised the median forecast of a Federal Reserve official, sharply raising the outlook for the funds rate for this year to 4.4% from 3.4%, so a full percentage point. By the way, that is a little higher than the market was going into this meeting here. For 2023, the median forecast is for a 4.6% funds rate. Again, a bit higher on the peak rate than where the market was, and that was from 3.8. For 2024, the median forecast is 3.9 from 3.4. 10 members do see a number below that 3.9 level. So if you want to think about the Federal Reserve cutting rates, that looks like it's going to happen sometime in 2024, getting back down to the new number we have for 2025, and that is 3.9%. A sharply lower GDP outlook, just 0.2% forecast for this year, down from 1.7, 1.2% for 2023, down from 1.7, and then gradually the Fed sees the economy, economic growth getting back towards the trend of 1.8%. A big but not tremendous increase in the unemployment rate outlook, 4.4 for 2023 from 3.9, so almost a percentage point or more higher than the low rate of 3.5, about a percentage point. Inflation nears the target of 2.3, not until 2024, hits the target of 2% in 2025. Going back to the statement, very much a cookie-cutter statement from the July wording, saying that modest growth in spending and production, it had said it was softening, now it sees modest growth, continues to see robust job gains and elevated inflation from supply-demand imbalances, higher food and energy, and broader price pressures as well. The committee remains on track for that $95 billion reduction in the balance sheet, and the decision was unanimous, with, I believe, the first time we've had 19 members of the Federal Reserve with a full Federal Reserve governor for maybe almost a decade. Tyler, back to you.